Hashtag MacBook Pro M5 Pro Review Script. Have you been looking for a solid laptop that can actually handle heavy workloads without slowing down, and wondering if the new MacBook Pro M5 Pro is worth the investment? Well, I've been using this thing for a few weeks now, and I want to walk you through what makes it actually useful for everyday work and creative projects. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. So right off the bat, let's talk performance because that's really what you're paying for here. The M5 Pro chip with its 15-core CPU and 16-core GPU is genuinely snappy. I tested it with video editing in Final Cut Pro, which is something I do regularly, and the difference between this and my older machine is noticeable. Scrubbing through 4K footage is smooth, and rendering times are significantly faster. If you're doing photo editing, coding, or any kind of creative work where your computer needs to keep up with you, this delivers. You're not sitting around waiting for things to load. Another thing that really stands out is the display. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR screen is genuinely bright and the color accuracy is excellent. Working on color-graded videos or editing photos feels natural on this screen. The brightness is particularly useful if you work near windows or in bright spaces. You don't feel like you're straining to see details like you might on a standard laptop display. Battery life has been solid too. Apple says all day, and honestly, that checks out for my workflow. I'm getting through a full workday of video editing and web browsing without feeling like I need to hunt for an outlet immediately. The 17-hour claim feels realistic for lighter tasks, and even with heavier work, you're getting a good 8 to 10 hours of actual use. The unified memory setup with 24 GB is worth mentioning because applications just feel responsive. Switching between apps is instant. Multitasking with heavy programs open doesn't create that sluggish feeling you get on some laptops. Everything just flows together. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem with an iPhone or iPad, you'll appreciate how seamlessly everything talks to each other. AirDrop, Universal Clipboard, handoff features all just work without you having to think about it. That integration is actually valuable if you're using multiple Apple devices. Now, the honest part. The main pro is the performance and display quality. You get a genuinely fast machine that's going to handle demanding work. The battery life is also legitimately good. The cons are obviously the price point, which is significant, and the storage is somewhat limited at 1 TB if you're working with large video files or photo libraries. The other thing is you're locked into the Apple ecosystem. If you're switching from Windows, there's a learning curve with macOS, though it's not terrible. Overall, if you need a powerful laptop for professional work and you're okay with the price, this is a solid choice. Check the link below for current pricing on Amazon, and let me know in the comments what you're using for your creative work.